Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Enthralling Sudoku Maniacs. I am Kishore. Today I will solve a thermo Sudoku for you. This thermo Sudoku is created by Prasanna Seshadri. I will add the link to his blog under the description, so do check out his blog for more such Sudokus. The rules of the Sudoku are, in addition to classic Sudoku rules, there are some thermometers given in the grid, and in each of the thermometer the digits will be increasing starting from the bulb. So for example, in this thermometer, starting from here, the digits will be strictly increasing till the end of the thermometer. So those are the rules. With that, we will start this Sudoku. Now in box 5 there is only one place for the 1. I will go ahead and mark that, because 1s are in column 5 and column 6, and 1 cannot be in R4, C4, so 1 can only be here. And 7 can be pencil marked in these 3 cells in box 5. However, 7 cannot be in this cell, because then this would have to be a 10 for the thermometer to be satisfied, so we can remove the 7 from here. And because of the 4 in row 4 column 9, 4 will be pencil marked in one of these 3 cells. However, this cell cannot have a 4, because then 7 will be here, which will violate the thermometer. So 4 can be removed from that cell. Now since 7 is in one of these 2 cells, this cell will be 8 or 9, because a digit has to be greater than that in the thermometer. And in box 1, 8 has only 2 cells left, which are this and this. 8 cannot be in any other cell in that box. If an 8 is here, the thermometer will be too long to satisfy it. Now this follows that the 8 in box 7 will be in one of these 2 cells, because 8 is in row 9 and 8 is in column 1 and column 3, and because of the 8 here, there should be a 9 in one of these 2 cells. And now 9 is forced in box 1 in one of these 3 cells, because 9 is in column 1 and it cannot be in these 2 cells, so 9 would have to be here, and 9 cannot be here. That forces the 9 to be in these 3 cells. Now if we see the 7 in box 1, it cannot be here, because then this would have to be 8, and it cannot be here as well, then this would have to be 8 or 9, but 8 and 9 are in that column already, so 7 can only be in these 2 cells. That forces the 7 in these 3 cells. Now if we look at box 5 again, there is only one cell left for the 2. 2 cannot be here, because then this would have to be a 1, and 2 cannot be in these 2 cells. It cannot be here as well, so it has to be here only. That is, row 6 column 6 would have to be 2, and that forces this cell to be a 4 and this cell to be a 7, and these 3 cells will be 6, 8, 9 now, and that means that we can remove the 9 from that cell. The left out digits are 1, 2, 3 and 5. So this would be 1, 3, 5. This should be 1, 2, 3, 5. This cannot be 1 or 2, because it must be at least 3. So this is 3 or 5, and this is 1, 2, 3 and 5. So now this thermometer can be filled, because we have marked 3, 5 here. These digits can only be 2, 3, 4. They can't be anything else. And this can only be 1, 2 and 3. And 2 is in row 2 already, so we can remove the 2. Eight can be removed, because 8 is in column 6. Now in box 9 there are only 2 cells left for the 1, which are here, cannot be in any other cells, and this gives us a 1 in box 7. And in box 1 now we can pencil mark the possibilities of 1. Can only be in these two cells. Now if we look at this thermometer, it cannot be 1, 2, 3, 7 and 8. It can only be 4, 5, 6. It cannot be a 9. So this will be a 4, 5 or 6. And this should be 5, 6, 7 and 8, because the minimum value is 4 here, so this will be 5. And this should be 6, 7, 8 and 9. 8 is here, so this should be a 6, 7 and 9. It cannot be a 6 because 6 is in column 2. We can remove the 6. Now this cell, because the thermometer is of length 4 at least, it can only be 5, 7 or 9, because 4, 6 and 8 or row 9 are in row 9 already, so this can only be 5, 7, 9. But 7 we have pencil marked in these 3 cells because 7 is in one of these 2 cells, so we can remove the 7 from these 2 cells. I'll remove the 7 possibility from those 2 cells. Now this cell can only be 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It cannot be a 7. Okay, so we get some deduction now in this box. If you look at this box 7 closely, if this cell, we have marked possibilities as 5 and 9 only. If this cell is a 5, then this cell should be 3 at least. So it has to be a 3 because we have a 4 in that cell. So this cell will be a 3. I'll go ahead and mark it for you. This cell will be a 2. Let me go ahead and mark it. If this cell is a 5, so this is a 3 and this is a 2, and we have marked 8 in one of these 2 cells if you remember. So this will be an 8 and this will be a 9. Now we don't have space for 4 and 6 in box 7. So this means that this cell cannot be a 5. So we can remove those cells and straight away mark that this has to be a 9, because 5 and 9 are the only possibilities there. This has to be a 9. So this forces this cell to be 8 because this cannot be 8 now. So this will be an 8. And this cell will be 5, 6, 7 or 8 because this is 4, 5, 6. And it cannot be 8, so this will be 5, 6 and 7. Sorry. This will be 5, 6, 7. So this cannot be 8 or 9. So maximum it can only be 7, and 7 is also not possible. We have a 7 in these 2 cells. So this we can remove the 7 pencil mark from this cell. So this will be 6 or 7. 7 is again not possible here because 7 is in one of these 2 cells. So this can only be a 6, and this will be a 5, and this will be a 4. So this cell, it cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, and it cannot be 5, 6 and 7. So this has to be a 9. Now this will be a 5, 6, 7. This is a 5, 6, 7 and this is a 5, 6, 7. And now in box 4 there is only one cell left for the 5. 5 is in row 5 and 5 is in column 2. So 5 has to be here. And this cell will be 1 or 3. And 4 in box 7 can only be in this cell. This cell will be 1, 3 or 7. And this cell will be 1, 3 or 7. 1 is obviously not possible, and 3 is also not possible because that will force a 2 and 1 to be here. 2 is already in that cell, so this cell has to be here. 7. This cell will be a 1 or a 3. Now 7 in box 7 can only be in this cell because 7 is in column 3 already, and these 2 cells are 2, 3 in some order. And in box 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7 are already in column 3, and 5, 8 and 9 are in box 4, so this can only be a 6. And now 5 can be removed from here, so this cell will be a 1, 2 or a 3. And 4 in column 2 can only be in these 2 cells. So the left out digits in that column are 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 cannot be here, so this should be 1 and 3, and this will be 3 and 4. Now we have a triplet 1 3 4 here, so we can go ahead and mark the rest of the cells in that box. So this will be 5 or 8, this will be 8 and 9, this will be 5 and 9. Now this cell in row 9 can only be 3 or 5, and 8 is in one of these two cells in box 8. Now let's focus a little bit on this thermometer because we haven't started much on that. It cannot be 1 4 7 8 and 9, it can only be 2 3 5 or 6. So this will be 3 4 5 6 and 7, and this will be cannot be a 4, so this will be 5 6 7 and 8, and cannot be a 6 as well because 6 is in row 3, so this will be 5 7 and 8. Now we'll focus on this thermometer a little bit. Maximum possible value is 7 and minimum possible value is 5, so this cell can only be 2 3 4 5 and 6, and this will only be 1 2 3 4 5. But 1 and 5 are in that row already, so we can remove the 1 and 5 from there. Also 4 is in that row, so 4 can also be removed. And the only possibilities now in this cell are 2 and 3. We have a 2 3 already here, so this will be a 6, this will be a 7. 6 can be removed from these cells now, so this 7 can be removed from column 7. Now row 7 we can pencil mark the possibilities. This will be 8 9, this is 7 8 9, and this is 7 8 9. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 already pencil marked, and 2 in box 8 is in one of these two cells. So the only possibilities here are 1 2 3 5 and 1 2 3 5 for row 9. Now 8 can be removed because 8 is in that box already, so 8 is in one of these two cells. I think we have already pencil marked the possibilities here. In box 6, 8 can only be in one of these two cells. Okay, in column 5 we see that we have an 8 9 pair, and 1 3 6 and 7 are filled already, so the digits which are pending are 2 4 and 5. So 4 is in this row, this will be a 2 5, this will be a 4 5, and this will be a 2 4 5. And in row 2 we have a 1 3 in row 2 column 2 and a 1 3 in row 2 column 9, so 3 can be removed from this cell. Now we will pencil mark the possibilities in this thermometer because we have almost completed every thermometer. So this will be maximum of 7 and minimum 2. So this will be 2 3 5 and 7. 4 and 6 are in the box already. This will be minimum 3 and maximum 9. So this will be 3 5 7 and 9 because 4 6 and 8 are in that box already. Okay, this could have been marked earlier. Now we have marked 1 and 3 here, so this will obviously have to be a 4. And 4 has to be in one of these two cells because 4 is in column 7 and column 9 and row 1 as well, so 4 in one of these two cells. So 7 possibilities in box 3 are only 2 cells. 7 cannot be in column 7 in box 3, and it cannot be in row 1 of box 3 as well. So 7 can only have two possibilities in box 3, which are this cell and this and this. These are the two cells which can contain a 7 in that box. This can be 5 and 6 only now. It will be 5, 6. This should be a 5 and 6, and this should be 5 and 6. And now this means this cell has to be a 3, because 5 is in row 4 already. So this will be a 3, this is a 2, this is a 1. This will give a 3 here and a 1 here and a 3 here. So this is 1, 2, and this is 1, 2. This will also be a 1 and 2. And 2 is there already, so this is a 1, and this is a 2, and this is a 1. So the left out digits are 2, 8 and 9. So this means this can only be a 9, because 2 and 8 are in that column. So this is 2, 8, and this is 2, 8, and 2 we have here. So 3 will be in this cell. This is getting closer to the finish. So this will be a 2, and this is a 3, and we have 3, 5 only here. So this is a 5, this is a 2, and this will be 1 and 2 in some order. 1 is in column 9, so 1 is here and 2 is here. And now 5, 7 and 9 are the left out cells. So this will be 5 or 7, and this will be 7 or 9. Now we have 7, 9 pair, so this will be a 5. This will be a 5 using classic rules. So this is a 6, and only possible digit that can come here, because 2, 5 and 6 are in the column already, is 3. So we have a 2 here and an 8 here using classic rules. So this will be a 7 or 9, and column 7 can be filled now. 1, 4, 6, 2, 3, 7. 5, 8 and 9 are the only possibilities. This will be 5, 8, 9. This will be 5 and 9, and 4, 6 and 7 have to be filled in box 3 now, and box 9 we can put the 9, because 9 is there in column 8. So this is a 9, this is a 7. These two cells are 3, 9 in some order. So this will be 8, and this is a 7, this is a 9, so this is a 6, this is a 5, this is a 4, this is 7, and 6 would be here. And using classic rules we can finish the Sudoku now. 8 and 9 can be filled in the thermometer now, and 2 can be put here now. This will be an 8. I am just filling everything using classic rules now. Row 2 left of digits are 5, 6 and 7. So this will be 5, this is 7, and this is 6. And now 3, 4, 9 have to be filled here. 4 can only go here, 9 cannot be in the thermo, so 9 would be here and 3 would be here. 3 would be here and 9 would be here. And that finishes the Sudoku. This Sudoku is a very challenging one. It's rated hard by Prasanna in his blog. So it took us some time to get the Sudoku going. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos from us. See you soon.